Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jisoo from her Hello Kitty collab. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's add 2 curves across, leaving a large gap in the center. Now underneath, let's add a curve down and back up. And color these both in black. Now let's add another curve along the top to thicken it up slightly. And then an eyelash on top of each eye. Then on top, let's add another curve for the eyebrows. And then in between, let's draw a small circle for the nose. And a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw the 2 pieces of hair coming down. Let's start on top and let's draw a wavy line down on each side like this. And then another one next to it, with the left side starting a little bit higher. Now in between the hair, let's add a curve across for the chin. Now on each side, next to the eyebrows, let's draw a curve out. Then let's bring it down and out underneath. Then let's add a bump underneath each side for the ears. And add a circle inside at the bottom for the earrings. And lastly, for the ears here, let's add 1 small curve up on top. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the bow. On the right side, let's add a curve up, leaving it open. Then let's add a circle. And then the other side of the bow with a curve around. Now inside each side, let's draw a bump in the middle. And now that we're done the bow, let's add a curve across to close off the top of the face. And now that we're done the face, we're going to hop down and draw the body. Let's start with a curve down on each side for the shoulders. Then underneath, let's draw 2 lines down on each side. Then in the center, let's bring it down with 2 curves. And then from the outside, let's curve it out and back in. And then we're going to add a pearl belt with circles all the way across. Now for the bottom of the dress, let's add 2 curves out like this. and then 2 curves to finish off the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now we can hop back up and let's bring it down on each side for the arms. And now let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center, keeping them close together like this. And then 2 more lines on the outside. Now for the feet, let's curve it around and back up. Now inside, let's draw a curve across the legs for the tops of the boots. And then add 3 lines across inside. And that's it for the body. Now let's hop back up and let's add the hair. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve down. And then let's bring it up and curve it in. And add a curve across the top. Now on each side, let's add a wavy line down. Then let's curve it back up and in at the bottom. And then 2 more curve points, bringing it back into the skirt. And that's it for Jisoo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!